Hello, SAC family. So I am here up again for my next impromptu challenge. Actually, it's my next dose of medicine. Now you may want to ask Santosh, why do you say this as a medicine? Because this is a bit bitter. The speak up challenges. It's bitter because it reveals a lot of secret. It forces you to think about a lot of things which you normally do not speak or do not reflect on. So it's a medicine, but yeah, it's helpful. So it's a medicine, right? It is helpful a lot in rethinking, refreshing your ideas, and of course revealing a lot of secrets which normally I don't speak. Okay, let's start the speak up challenge. Ask me anything. What is your happiest memory? So I have already done with this topic. Let me try again. Ask me anything. What's your definition of heaven? I am done with this topic too. Return home. Ask me anything. If I gave you $1 and told you that you had to spend it today, what would you buy? Okay, so I think I did a similar topic, but I don't remember. Okay, anyways, let me try it again. If I gave you $1 and told you that you had to spend it today, what would you buy? So imagine every, uh, you know, imagine that you have a bank which is a perishable bank. Now you may want to ask, what is a perishable bank? Never heard of this concept. So let me try telling you this perishable bank concept. A perishable bank is, from my own definition. It's my own definition. I'm just making it up. A perishable bank is the bank where you have somewhere around 86,400, let's suppose, dollars or whatever units of money you want to consider, pound, rupees, whatever. It is $6,400, and every day if you do not spend it, it will perish. Tomorrow, next day, again it will be filled with the same amount of money, and if you are not going to use it, it will perish. Now, I think you might have guessed it. Yes, you're right. This is related to our seconds of, how many seconds we have in the entire day. And if I remember correctly, or my calculations are correct, this would be somewhere around 86,400. Anyways, so the point is, every day we get this much of time, which is actually equivalent to a money if you think from a different perspective. And if we do not utilize it to the fullest, it is wasted. Yes, it is wasted. You cannot get it back. And that is where I would like to spend my every dollar what I get, which means that I'll try to utilize my time to the fullest of it. Whatever the potential usage or the best usage I can have in that time, I'll try to use that. And yes, try to improve and utilize every second to make yourself a better human being, improve yourself in a better version, and have a healthy, happy, and joyful life. That is what I will do with my dollar. Thank you. I'm done.